এবার ইলেকশনটা আসলে একদমই অন্য সব নির্বাচনের থেকে কিন্তু আলাদা। এবারে কিন্তু শুধুমাত্র সংসদ নির্বাচন হচ্ছে না, সাথে কিন্তু গণভোটের হা অথবা নায়ের ভোটটাও হচ্ছে। তো এটা আসলে এই নির্বাচনটা জুলাই পরবর্তী একটা নির্বাচন, এবং আমরা যে ভবিষ্যৎ বাংলাদেশ চাচ্ছি, যে যে বাংলাদেশ হচ্ছে কি দুর্নীতিমুক্ত, সন্ত্রাসমুক্ত একটা সুন্দর, যেখানে সবাই সবার অধিকারগুলো পাবে, মানে ন্যায় ও ইনসাফের বাংলাদেশ, সেইটার পক্ষে আসলে আমাদেরকে অনেক দূর নিয়ে যাবে বলে আমরা আশা করতেছি, যদি গণভোটে হা জয়যুক্ত হয়, এবং আমি আশাবাদী গণভোটে হাই জয়যুক্ত হবে।
আগামীকাল বাড়িতে যাব, বাড়ি আমার দোয়ারনবাবগঞ্জ। আমরা চাই কালি ভোট দিতে যাব 12 তারিখে, মানে সুস্থ ভোট হোক, ভালো হোক, সুস্থভাবে জানি পরিবার দিতে দিতে পারি ভোট। এই তো সবার কাছে কামনা। যে পার্টি আসুক, বিএনপি আসুক আর যে জামাতে আসুক, যেটা আসুক আমরা চাই ভালো সুস্থভাবে হয়ে যায়, এটি আপনাকে সবার কামনা।
Well, as per our interim government's promise, they promised us that this election, the 13th parliamentary election, will be fair and truthful. As we know that in previous regime, the Awami League government, there has been like stories that they've been stealing votes, they've been giving votes illegally. So in this time, as they have been promised, so I really hope that this election will be fair and fruitful, because we have hope on our interim government as they promised, and I believe that they will maintain this and they will keep their promise as per their statements.
As a young voter, this is my first time voting for my country, so I am pretty excited about it. So I have never been in a voting center or something, so it's gonna be a very new experience for me, I think. As a matter of inclusivity, it's a no, because Awami League is not there. But if I think with my ethics and my thoughts about the overall situation of our country, then I think most of the people, they don't Awami League there. They have been like animals. They have butchered many students. So I think without Awami League, I am fine with it. I don't know about others. That's what I said. It's not inclusive if we think of that way. Like while we are thinking about creating balance, without Awami League, we don't have the evil party and all. We don't have that. But I think from the perspective of people, it's kind of okay, because what we witnessed for the 2024, the way children were killed, I don't think I could support Awami League's participation in this election. As a woman from new government, I will expect safe working environment. Also, I will expect security. And I want to state my point, as Jamate Amir recently said, that women who are going out and doing work, they are almost prostitutes. That's what he said, not my words. But I like strongly disagree with that. Women are working very hard, and half of our population is women, so they are doing their very best to make this country a better place. So I think better working conditions for women, also security, also employment condition. So I will expect that from new government. I will think they will take this into mind and do their best to make all this better. The current situation is a lot worse than it was in Awami League. I hate to say this, but during the time of Sheikh Hasina, women were a lot safer. When I go outside of my hall, I see catcalling, I see people calling me names and all. And as you can see, I am dressed very moderately, very modest dressing. I am not wearing anything inappropriate, but I have to wear all these things. Also, I cannot go anywhere without my male friends or my like someone male companion. I hate this very much. I don't want to say that, but that agei bhalo chilam thought, I don't want to state this, but this is the current situation. I want the betterment of this situation. I want this situation to improve, where women can go anywhere they want without any kind of fear. Or I think women should be speaking openly about what they are facing and what they want to do in future, and they can do like as they want. That's all I think.